Well, I feel so sad in a man. And it's a nice lady. And we like how she walk, we like how she talk. And I miss her, and I feel it. So life goes on. It just said, all we have to do is just bury her and just give God thanks and praise. Blessed love.
She have do her time, and the Lord take her home now. So I hope she repent and serve the Lord before she go. You understand? It's her time now, so she'll live even past the time. So that's how things goes. We all have to go one day.
Well, her death, to me, if she could live for the next 20 years, she could have lived to see, but she just gone, just say go. But God go with her.
I mean, I don't have any reaction to her death. I didn't expect her to die so suddenly, but considering the fact that she would have been with us for quite a long while, but I mean, I just hope all goes well for the country.
Well, it has shaken us up because knowing that she was around for such a long time and she's one of the longest serving whatever, and to lose her like this now, it leave back an impact, and we know we're not gonna replace her, cannot replace her for the long service that she has done. So we feel it. Yeah, it has shaken us up.
Well, I'll say I'm not surprised. It's been a long time coming. Not to say that she won't be missed or her service won't be appreciated, but she was 96, so it was expected.